Hi, I'm Joe. This is Bob. It stands for Building Out Back. And let's give you a little bit of backstory and let's do this. Bags of concrete left out in the rain. I don't know what they were thinking. This is a boat here on a trailer that apparently it caught on fire and burnt down to the water line. And for some reason, they brought it home. That boat, that's gonna be fun. Thrill a minute. All right, that's where we're at. I'm about to get up on the roof and I'll show you a little bit once I'm up there. This whole area here was covered. Trees had come over to here. Same thing over here. What a mess. Nothing I'd rather be doing. Big old Tarzan vine right there. Ooh, ooh, uh-oh. That's kind of working a little bit. That damn thing will put me in the eyeball right there. Yeah, here's the boat. This thing is a mess. Get her done. Get in the hole, baby. Get in the hole. Here we go. Hi, I'm JoeBob, and this is my garage. All right, let's do a little tour. I'll show you what I got before I get started here. I've got big plans. All right, what I got here is I got an oven I picked up for doing my powder coating. Got to build a little extension here. I got ran electric out to the building. Got the 220 for the stove. Ran all my outlets. Got a prehistoric Craftsman toolbox. Some newer ones. Got me some work tables built. Now you got to have your grinders. Let me see. Little parts, shelves, crap like that. Got my motorcycle lift. Got a place to pound on some metal right here. Little grinder, ultrasonic cleaner for doing the carburetors. For making little metal brackets, I got me an Eastwood bender. I'm going to be doing it all with a flux core because right now I can't afford to get a better welder. But that should be able to do it. Job saws. Oh, a 1960 drill press. Yeah, that's how you do it. And of course we're in Florida and we don't have any air conditioning in this building, so I had to buy a big ass fan. I'm making do with these compressors. They'll work. That one I just picked up on the side of the road didn't work, and I converted the tank over to give me a little more air. Got all my powder coating equipment. Sandblaster cabinet. Oh yeah, these things are in here because I do a little work on small engines. And here we go. I just picked it up the other day. This is my first victim. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to this. I'm gonna strip it down to the frame, cut it in half, hardtail it. Yeah, I got plans. I'm gonna do some red rims, a lot of red highlights on it, black, and I got my wide white wall tires here for it. Yeah, it runs great. Runs great. All right, this is going to be a blast. I'm looking forward to this, guys. Do all that stuff they say to do on YouTube, you know, subscribe and hit the like button, and we will, there we go, let me get that turned around, so that we will be able to follow, not we, you will be able to follow me. All right, I'm new to all this. It's going to be fun. All right, y'all take it easy. Oh yeah, one more thing. I want to say thank you to John in Pace, Florida. Thank you, buddy.